Welcome to the future of cooking. Introducing the AMZCHEF Under Cabinet Range Hood, where innovation meets elegance. Let's kick things off with style. Crafted from 430 stainless steel, this 30-inch under cabinet range hood is not just a pretty face, it's built to last. Say goodbye to deformation and hello to durability. But wait, there's more. Ever struggled to see what's cooking on your stove? Not anymore. With two brilliant 2-watt LED lamps, your kitchen will shine as bright as your culinary skills. Say goodbye to smoke and unwanted odors. Our range hood boasts a 3-speed fan that instantly whisks away vapors, smoke, and oil. Enjoy cleaner air and fewer hassles. We know you're busy, that's why we've made controlling your range hood a breeze. With the smart LCD screen, you can touch your way to a cleaner kitchen. And if you're juggling multiple tasks, use the remote control for effortless operation. Life just got a whole lot easier. With time-setting functionality, you can schedule your range hood to do the work while you do what you love. No more interrupting your precious moments. We understand. Nobody likes cleaning. That's why we've equipped this kitchen marvel with 2 Dishwasher-Safe stainless steel filters. They're high-temperature resistant and your best allies against grease, stains, and rust. And now the icing on the cake. This 30-inch beauty is designed to match every kitchen style. Whether you want to install it under the cabinet or on the wall, it'll look right at home, all while saving you valuable space. There you have it, the AMZCHEF Under Cabinet Range Hood, where functionality meets finesse. Elevate your kitchen, elevate your life. Get yours today and let's cook up something amazing. It's more than just a range hood. It's your kitchen's new best friend. Get ready to experience the future of cooking. Link in comment box.